Hello everyone, welcome back to Lynn's Homestead. Happy Sunday. Sounds like the farmer is out working the field. The holes that I dug, one of them was full of water and drained. The other one is still full of water. That means I'm going to have to dig that one a little bit deeper because we can't have my blueberry bushes drowning in water. Today's video, we are going to be picking some green beans, the first off the vine. So let's get going. All right. How swampy it is in here. Yeah. Quite a few. The size of them. Yeah, I'm gonna be eating good tonight. Love green beans. A friend of mine wants some for when I come over go fishing. So I'll save some for you. You're gonna have to look because the way I got these things in here, they're kind of hidden. Oh wow, look at all these. I'm not gonna pick them all. I'm just gonna get a few. Down low. Oh wow, look at the size of this one. Look at that. Supreme. Got so many beans in here. Yeah, I think next time I plant beans, I'm going to do it a little differently than this. Come back here. I'm going to show you how many I got. That's what I'm picking in beans. That's all I'm picking for now. There's other ones. They're kind of small. Let's see what else we can get out of the garden here. Let's go to my mutated cucumbers. Let's see. Wow. Well, there's another orange one. God, you figured there'd be something green in here. There's a little one growing there. It's not even yet to begin to be ready for anything. I don't get it. Why are they? They're small and they're orange. I think this is the last year I'm planting this mess because last year I had some pretty good sized ones, but better soil. I figured I'd have better. I mean, these are small and they're yellow. Leave in the comments and tell me why. It's not like they're on the vine that long. These are still young. They're just coming off orange. These will be going into the compost pile. Oh my God, you should see what I see over there by the corn. Let's see where I can get you set up for over there. I want to watch my watermelons. I don't want to hurt them because I love watermelon. Okay. Don't feel too bad for all the rain we had out here. The mulch helped to absorb some of it up. Okay. Another yellow one. So what I want to also do while we're in here, we want to check out the condition of the corn. Now the potatoes, I don't know what's going on with them. It looks like some of them's growing. Watch my carrots. Now I do see one over here we might be able to grab an ear of corn. Boy, next time I plant, I gotta make sure I plant to where it's not so jungle-like. There's one squash right there. There's a couple of them. The lettuce, I don't see where they're gonna develop a head in this mess. I think I may be cutting it off like regular lettuce. If you understand what I'm saying. That was supposed to be a head of lettuce, and it's not really growing that manner. But I may be cutting them off and eating them as they are. So let's check out the corn. You see, it's ready when it's brown. I don't know. It don't feel like it's ready. It's not have enough girth to it. We're gonna wait on that. Let's see. Some is developing in here in my little cornfield. But the ears are so, oh, there's one that's a little bit bigger. As I get further in, they are getting a little bigger, but still a little disappointing. So we're going to let the corn go a little bit more. I don't see any form of really much in the way of bugs. Not like what I had last year. Now this one itty bitty, I'd have to say 4-footer. It's got 2 ears growing on it. They said that corn, it depends on the kind. You can have 1 or 2. I've seen them with 3. Let's see, this one's got 2 growing on it. Let's see, this one doesn't have anything. This one here we're looking at, it has 1 here and 1 here. So that's kind of looking up. But I think that's almost about it with the corn. Let's, I think I'm going to get some lettuce while I'm out here. I didn't bring any scissors with me, so I'm just going to rip off some. Try out all my hard work. Yeah. I love lettuce. Get out of here, stupid plant. We'll clean all this up in the house. So I'm just going to have a little salad. The cucumbers probably will go in the compost pile because our orange is bitter. We don't want bitter. All right, we have it. Lettuce. Hoping for some cucumbers, we can't have everything. And I got some green beans to wash cut. Put them in a Ziploc bag. Lettuce, I'll have it all cleaned up. Oh, that's nice. There's a little caterpillar on the back of this one. Oh, we don't want that. But, yeah, we're good.